see him? All right. Hey, Judah. Hey, so what robot we gonna put together today? What? Oh, the Codey Rocky. Oh, you're gonna like this. But hey, don't put a shirt on. We have the tablet ready, assuming we're gonna have to download an app. It looks like we're gonna be able to create codes, play games, software support face and speech recognition, unlock all the AI skills, and it's only 6+. Judah's real excited about this because I told him we can't open this until you turn 6. And now that he's 6, we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what a 6-year-old can do with this. Like Judah. Yes, hold on, dude. We gotta open this nice and softly. We gotta make sure everyone can see all the stuff in it. So when we first open, okay, so it looks like there's Codey Rocky. Go ahead and go put it in front of the camera so everyone can see it, right? Yeah, you see it good? That's Codey Rocky. Put it higher, hold it up in front of it. That's Codey Rocky. Okay, bring it back, bring it back. All right, and here, let's see what's in this top part. Looks like these are cards, some form of cards. We'll unlock those soon. Looks like we have the Codey Rocky Quick Start Guide. So this is what we're probably going to go through today. So okay, so it also came with this piece. And it has a charger cable in it, right here. And then when this is charged up, it's going to power. It snaps right on in, almost like this magnet. And here he is. Codey Rocky with a nice screen on the front of him, an A, B, and C button. Looks like maybe some speakers for our mic. We'll find out. But here he is. I guess the first thing we need to do is just hook him up to a charger. Hold on. Oh, that's just a little lanyard. I don't know what you're supposed to put on. Maybe actual, oh, you might be able to put that on as a necklace. You might be able to wear him as a necklace. So here's the charger. You can see right here. Go ahead and plug this in, and then go plug it into the wall. All right. Third step is the software download, which is to download Makeblock app. After it's downloaded, achieve more ideas by using unbox. Oh, yeah, you can do unbox on your PC. Nice. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna be able to do some fun block coding like Trey and Jacob used to do in our old videos. Oh yeah, we love block coding over here. Once he's charged and ready, we'll connect them to our Wi-Fi, to the same Wi-Fi as our tablet. This is how Vector worked, Cosmo worked. Who else was just like that? Web C-Do or We-Do by Lego. Ooh, install. Open. All right, please select a device. All right, so here's all the other robots that we can entertain buying. Okay, we'll get, oh yeah, Jacob and Trey gonna love some of these. We're gonna get that for sure. Okay, so it looks like you go straight to get driving it. Draw and run, code. Let's get to this and have some fun with this bad boy. So according to the directions, we have to wait until the light turns green. Yes, it's finally green. Took a real long time to load, almost like 2 hours, maybe an hour. But it probably would have worked right away, but right now it's green and let's go. Okay, so yeah, we got to set up the Wi-Fi. We have to get this bad boy connected. What's this?
His name.
His name? He has a name. It's Codey. Actually, look. This one is Codey and this one is Rocky. Codey can work with Rocky. Turns out Codey can work with other things and actually do stuff by himself. But Codey works with Rocky. That's why it's called Codey Rocky. All right, so he's charged. Let's power him on. Where's the button? There it is. Power button on the side. Turns on, starts blinking, blue lights come on. Oh, look at his eyes, look. Hello. Actually, if you do mobile, you do Bluetooth. So we're gonna go to the settings of our app, go to Bluetooth, turn it on, let it find some things. Yep, Makeblock LE8 something. He made a noise right when we did that. He went beep. Oh, we gotta turn off this TV. Huh, it said Makeblock. And then pair.
Yes, sir.
All right, pairing, now it's paired. So now that they're paired, we should be able to open the app up. What you want to say? Or you want to try to drive him? See if you can drive him? Let's see, drive him. Oh! Oh, yeah, you can drive him. Oh, let's see. No, this right here. Oh. This right here is a turn him that way, turn him that way, go forward. See if you can make him go around that. Oh, there you go, straight, and you go here and turn. Ah, you went over that. You gotta turn this way. Oh, whoa, okay. So it has a cool, let me show everyone the little fun little steering wheel. Here's the steering wheel. See if you can see him. Ooh, yeah, see that? We're gonna have some races to see who can drive Codey Rocky around something the fastest. Who can actually steer him good, have some good little, ooh, it's actually gonna be hard. Okay, so what's the next one? Draw and run. I believe you draw the route. Oh, yep, see, so you're making them go straight, then right, then left. Oh, okay. Hold on, so before we start it, let's show everyone what he's supposed to do. This is what Judah just drew. Let's see if it does it. Go ahead and press play. Straight, right, straight, right. All right, so it's a little bit like that. All right, let's see if Codey Rocky can do it hard. Oh! Uh-oh, there goes Brutus. What are you gonna do about it, Brutus? All right, let's see if he can do it. Oh, he turned around right away. All right, so what are you gonna make him do? A circle, a lot of circles. All right, let's see if he can do it. Uh-oh, can you do the circle? Can you do the circle? Can you do the circle? Can you do it? Oh, we got stuck.
We should do a Bruce reacts to robot. Guys, we should make a Bruce reaction.
But he's definitely going in the circle though, right? That's what he's supposed to do? Okay, Nancy.